You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 11. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 4x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 11.